Assalamu alaikum, how are you all? In this tutorial I will show you how to fix the column with wall. Okay, so let's start. I want to put here column. Okay, so I click on the column and click the column architectural. Okay, then I click on modify edit type. Okay, duplicate, and for example I need 30 by 30 column. Okay, and I change here the depth 0.3 and here width 0.3. Okay, so this 30 centimeter and 30 centimeter column. Okay, click on OK. So if I click here, so now and click again here, see if I click here, so show here the rectangular column 30 by 30. Okay, so in looking here, not look like a column. Okay, just look a corner. Okay, so what I do, click on this column. Okay, or example the same column I put here outside. Okay, I click here one column, so now you will see here this column. Okay, click on column and edit family. Okay, this column now I change to the property here, this column family. Okay, this is the family, this property. Click here, automatically join geometry to wall. Okay, uncheck this one. Okay, and now load and close. Okay, so here override the existing version and its parameter value. Okay, so now click on again the column. Okay, and I fix here. Okay, now see, you see the column here, and I want to delete this one and delete this one. Okay, also delete this one. Now click on column. Okay, and fix here, fixed here. Okay, and fix here. So now looking the column. Okay, I hope you like this tutorial. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.